let's see what we can do about this one. Now this one is basically the same. Well, this is a privacy handle. And privacy, I know that because see, there's a little hole right there. You take a little tool and you push in there, and you don't pop it out. See here? It's got a thumb turn to lock it and unlock it. Okay, so whenever you have a thumb turn like that, you know that when you put something in there, it has to be have a little small paddle on it, very tiny standard slotted screwdriver or something like that. If you've seen my other video, I show you how to pop this open. You push on it straight, but that's only if you have a push button here. You see what I mean? Then you would take this side and push, get something in there and push it straight in. But because this is a twisty right there, a thumb turn, then you gotta come in here with a little, you've seen a little coffee stir that's got the little paddle thing on the end. You need a little small little tool like that. Okay,